It vomited Jonah onto dry land. Jonah 2:10 saw the Lord spoke to the fish, and it vomited ascent onto dry land.
Ngicela sifunde futhi uJohane 39. Ingakho bengithi ngifuna babe u2 ngoba khona into engifuna ukuvikela ngalo bese ngihlala phansi. Nje ngizomthanda ngathi ku-short division isibale sasina belungu angidothi ngazizwe. Johann. Oh, singasekelo ichapter. Oh, mina ngayibhala ichapter lothathelayo. Ithi ichapter kaLazaro. Siyashumayela phela ngasibaningi ngakho. 11 nazo. Funda wena lapha kudonsa umoya.
John 11:39. Jesus said, "Take away the stone." Martha, the sister of him who was dead, said to him, "Lord, by this time there is a stench, for he has been dead 4 days."
Report efikayo akuyona leJesu ayizele. Le ayithola akuyona le uJesu ayizele. Ukuvamisile ukuthi athole ireport angayizele qala engakayenzi into ayizele. Ukuba bekuyimini ngithole le report bengizoba discouraged. Kodwa uJesu wamenze wathi rest assured, that is why I'm here. Vele bengeke ngifike isimo singakapheleli. Bekufanele isimo sibe beyond repair. Kuze conclude ukuthi ngeke kusenzakala lutho. And uJesu wethu uyaqalaza ubona abaFarisi nabaSadusi. Uyabona uJesu uthi I am about to do something miraculous. I am about to introduce myself. I am about to turn around the situation. Ebese hopeless. Uthi useyanuka lezithulo sezizile. I am not here for the condition, but the resurrected power. I am not here for your failures, but the resurrected power. I am figa usalunjalo. I am figa kumele bone kumele ufe magafile sikwenzakho uzofa kale ngekho kodwa ngeke wafika uzokwatsha kale ngekho kodwa ngeke wafika uzokhula kale ngekho kodwa ngeke wafika ngeke wafika uzokhuluma isitori ngomdeni wakho akawadla amadrugs kodwa ngeke wafika shana makapali ebebositha ngeke wafika nasiphi na isimo siyakuthobeka ngeke wafika useyabona kodwa sefikile useyanuka kodwa sefikile kadafa kodwa sefikile. It's not a part of his package, but it is part of his miraculous. When you will be worried, what we are on, yena asoza worried, ngoba ufuna ufika vele sewubonile. ngoba ukuba akabonanga uLazaro namthandayo asenhliziyweni yakhe bese beqoqele nabantu abazokubuka babengeke baphumule nalobufakazi bokuthi wayesefile iy'nsuku sezizile seqediwe wabekwa nede itshe kwathiwa rest in peace basheshe balibeka itshe kwiphupho lakho basheshe basho ukuthi bekuphumelele basheshe basho ukuthi kudelwa khona kube nalutho basheshe bathi rest in peace hang on right here hang on the Lord is about to do something.